Hello everyone, welcome back to the third part of the MCreator tutorial series, where last time we made sword. Today's, well, obviously you read the title, but, I know you guys read the title if you're clicked on the video, most likely. Anyway, today's is, we're making food, but not just food, because that would make this way too short, and anyone could figure out food. We're making food that gives you effects. First things you want to do, you want to create an item, because they removed the food option. Name your food. I'm gonna make emerald carrot. Right. No. Yes. Okay. So, I forgot to pick that. One sec, I'll be back. Alright, so we're back. Ignore how bad the carrot looks. I am terrible at pixel art. So, first thing, ow. First things first, I think we already went over item 3D model, but in case you didn't see the sword one, it basically decides, is it a 3D or 2D? So normal is 2D. You can make it a tool type model. This is special information. You can put a pun, quests, lore, jokes. So yeah, that's that part. It's properties. First things first, you want to name it. Then you want to decide, do you want one its name to glow? So you could have like a golden apple, light purple, which I'm going to do. Put it in whatever tab you want it to be in. Decide how big the stack can be, if it can enchant, how fast it can destroy stuff. How much damage it does. I don't know. If it has a durability. If it's immune to fire. If it can destroy stuff. Does it stay in the crafting grid when you craft something that uses it? So item animation. So you want to put eat. Use non-negative values for food items to be edible. 3. No, I think that's like how long it takes you to eat it. Next, we go to food properties. And click yes, it is a food. So the nutritional value is like how much it gives. Yeah, so 1 is half the food bar, 20 is full. So we're gonna go with a 10, because why not? Saturation. I don't know. Item result is like a mushroom soup. When you use it, you get a bowl. The food is the food meat? Is it always edible? Oh, it's just this. If you're making one of these type, okay, open. Advanced properties is if you want to make something that uses a GUI. Triggers. I'm lagging. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'll be back. Okay, I got it working again. So these are procedures. Now, this is going to be very important. So when right-clicked on block, item smelted, hand, inventory, living, blah, 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 finishes using item. So we create the procedure. Yeah, wait for this to load. Awkward silence because I don't know what to talk about. If you're liking the video so far, maybe leave a like. Maybe think about subscribing. Okay, it's in. So ignore that. So you want to give potion. Okay, so you add potion. Decide what potion you want to give. I'll give jump boost because carrots, rabbits, all that. I'm gonna give jump boost 5. You decide how long you want it to last for. We're gonna go for 2 minutes. No, none of that. Okay, and then just like put as many as you want. Yeah, literally anything you want, you can put here. Well, any of the effects that are in the game, potion effects that are in the game. You can also put your own custom effects here. But yeah, we're going to put this down lower to just 40 seconds. Yeah. Um, so go to Emerald Carrot. Yep, player finishes shooting item. Is there a better one to put it on? One item is dropped. One item is in hand. One item in inventory tick. One living entity is hit with item. Okay. I believe that is it. So yeah. I guess in this video we'll make the recipe for it. Emerald carrot recipe. So for the recipe, choose any of these. I'm going to decide to make it a crafting smith crafting. We're going to put emerald. How do you spell emerald? Ah. So we're going to put the recipe in. Sorry, I'm taking so long. I am not perfect. Hello. Okay. Then you want to. Your food doesn't even have to be like a growable thing or a craftable thing. I'm just choosing to make it craftable. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Think of subscribing. Leave a comment on what you would like to see the next video be, and I will try my best to do that. Yeah. Well, see y'all next time. Toodles.